my name is Daniel. I will show you how to make a sugar cookie with flour, eggs, and butter with sugar and some vanilla extract. Now we will begin. Now let me get the vanilla. Okay. And the sugar. That almost fell and almost cracked. And put it on a spoon. That will be a smart place. Okay. We start with getting butter. Where is the butter? Butter. We get the butter. We get a spoon, tablespoon. We get 1 tablespoon of butter. We dump it into the mug. We put this in the microwave for 30 seconds to melt. Get this out of the microwave, it's all melted. Woohoo! Melted! Woohoo, very good. Smells like feet. Now we get vanilla no, we get peace. We get the egg. We crack the egg, only the yolk. We get the egg, we take the top off, we leave the yolk, we put the yolk in the other one, we dump all the juice out. Now you can put this to the side and throw it away later. Dump the yolk. Get your shells, throw them away, or you can eat them if you want. It's very tasty. You get the yolk, you get sugar, you get 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1. 2. Okay. We can put that aside. We can put a drop of vanilla extract. A drop of vanilla extract. I put a little too much. Now we stir with a fork. Now we stir. Once that is ready, put your fork to the side and grab your spoon. The wonders behold are very magical. Get your spoon, get 3 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3. Now you get your fork and you stir once again. It's going to turn into a hard batter. Then you must stir more until it turns into a smooth batter. Put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, or in conversion to minutes, 1. Just place it there. Abracadabra. Yeah, mug, done. Time cook. Or you can, if you have an express thing, you can just click 1. Oh, look at the sugar cookiness. Obviously, it does not look like a cookie. What's important, it tastes like a cookie. When I was little, I could get cookies for free at Publix. But they don't do that anymore. Now get your favorite spoon. A little spoon for desserts. Poke it to see if it's done. If it's not done, add 5 seconds to the time. Until it's done. Now, let me try. It tastes very, very nice, if you see. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Ow! My mom tastes this. Ow!
Le falta azúcar.
If you would like before to add more sugar, if you're more of a sweet tooth, you may do that. It won't do anything. But I like it just like this. Bye-bye.